In this video, you'll learn how to sign in to eBay using the official website. By following these steps, you will be able to access your eBay account quickly and efficiently. Start by launching a web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. In the address bar, type www.com and press enter. This action opens the official eBay homepage. It is important to wait for the page to load completely before proceeding. Once the homepage appears, look for the sign-in option located near the top right corner of the screen. This option is essential for registered users to access their accounts. Clicking this button will direct you to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields for entering your information. In the first field, type your registered email address or username, then move to the password field and carefully enter your password. Ensure that the information you have provided is accurate, as any mistakes may prevent you from accessing your account. If you are using your personal device, you may choose to save your login details for quicker access in the future. However, it is advisable not to save credentials on shared or public computers for security reasons. After verifying your information, click the Sign In button. After you click the Sign In button, the system will verify your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your eBay account homepage. This is where you can browse products, track orders, and manage your account settings. Additionally, from this section, you can access your messages, watch lists, and purchase history. In case additional verification is required, follow the instructions displayed on the screen to complete the process. Once you are logged in, you can begin using all available eBay features. It is important to note that if you encounter any issues while signing in, double-check your email address or username and password for accuracy. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the login process. If you have forgotten your password, there is typically a link on the login page that will guide you through the password recovery steps. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.